Lesson 1, declaring variables. So, the first way you can declare a variable is with for. There's also let, and there is const. We're going to look at all three. So let's go ahead and get this variable name. A1, we'll set that to 0. Variable name 2 here, and we'll set that to 1. And we'll do variable name 3 here, and set that to 2. So let's go ahead and make one thing clear. You don't actually have to put variable name when you name your variables. That's just so you can keep track of them. Alright, at the end of each statement, you should be adding a semicolon. It's no longer necessary in the latest version of JavaScript, but best practice is just to have it there, prevent any errors. Okay, so let's go ahead and show some of these in console. So I'm going to go ahead and pass in one variable here. It is ideal to just use camel case. By the way, I can prevent errors if you copy and paste it, or if you're using something like Critify or Copilot, I should already suggest it for you. Since we're using Replit, it doesn't do that, obviously. Okay, here, we run it, should show up down here in the console. As you can see, it is right here. It says 0, which is what we have set the data to show here. The integer, the data type is integer, and it is here, here, and here. When I pass the variable name here and log it, and the console log, it does show 0 down here. So we can see that it works. Okay, now let's try this here. Now, var does allow you to change it, but it does vary by scope. So let's do this here. And we're going to do this, and we're going to see what happens. As you can see, it changed. Okay, so after you write down, you declare your variable with let, you'll see here that it's the data shows 1. You log it to console, as we've done here. You can see you have a 1. When we change it again, by just changing the variables past integer and then console into the log again, we can now see that it changes. If we do this, it doesn't work. And the reason being is that let is actually how you declare the variable. When you call the variable the second time, with its given scope here for let, you don't have to call it again. You don't have to declare it again with let. You just call it again, and you can make that change here. Right? Let allows you to do that. Now look, if we do this with const, we have variable name 3, for example. We set that to 1. Let's say we were to go down here and we were to call it again. And then we were to log it to the console. You'll see that it doesn't work because it has const scope. Const actually has block scope, where let and variable have more of a global scope. So with that being, we are now outside of this block and have continued into this block of code. So as you can see, it is restricted by the declaration type. So the data cannot be changed. Now you shouldn't need to use the semicolon, but best practice would dictate that I try it with this, even though we know, based on code, it won't work. That is lesson 1, that is variable declaration. Stay tuned for the next episode.